Hi everyone, it's Michelle from the Manhattan-Elwood Public Library with another SIP Science experiment, shelter-in-place experiment. Science you can do from home with things you can find at home. Today we're going to make elephant toothpaste. So what do we need to get started? You're going to need a tray to catch it. There's going to be wet foam at the end, so you need something that can catch all that and make sure you're on a surface that you can clean up easily. Now, for our experiment, we're going to need some sort of plastic container. It can be a cylinder if you've got one, or if you have a water bottle, that works really well too. We're going to need hydrogen peroxide. You can probably find this underneath your bathroom sink. It's to clean out cuts. It's not, it sounds super chemically, but it is something we use to clean out cuts all the time. We're going to need a little bit of dish soap, a little bit of food coloring, and a packet of active yeast. All right, so let's get started. What's my number one rule? Safety first. Got to have some safety goggles or some glasses, and if you don't have that, go ahead and use your sunglasses. So we're going to get started with our experiment now. First things first, we're going to do our hydrogen peroxide. A half a cup. And when you put that in, try to make sure it's not too splashy. Let's see how well I can get this all inside. If you have a funnel at home, that'll probably work well too. There we go. Very good. All right, next up, a couple of squeezes of dish soap. All right, we're going to swirl that around so it mixes in. All right, now for fun, we're going to put in a couple drops of food coloring. I'm going to try to keep mine along the sides to see if we can make stripes when we're done. We'll see how that works out. All right, swirl the rest around at the bottom. See what happens. All right, it's just a big experiment. All right, next up is our yeast. Now I've got about 1/8 cup of warm water in here. I'm going to add my yeast to that. And we're going to stir it up. We need to stir it up for about 30 seconds to make sure it's nice and mixed up. All right, there we go. Now, while I'm stirring that, I was wondering if anybody out there knows how many teeth an elephant actually has. All right, if you guessed 26, you were absolutely right. An elephant has 26 teeth. They've got 2 great big tusks that we can see from the outside, and they've got 24 inside their mouth. Now, one thing about this elephant toothpaste is, do you think an elephant would want to use this toothpaste to brush his teeth? I don't think so. It's not actually toothpaste, and for the same reason, you probably shouldn't use it either. All right, now that we've got that all mixed up, we're ready to put them together and get ready. Because that got a little bit of that yeast inside there. We're going to spend a few more minutes mixing it in. Might want to use a fork. And we'll see what we got. You ready? Here we go. Ooh, very good. Very cool. I don't know if an elephant would want to use that, but it certainly looks like toothpaste, doesn't it? All right. Thanks so much for joining us for another Shelter-in-Place Science. Until next time, we'll see ya.